Are you making another one too?
Wow, critical, wow, wow.
Chicks go wow. There's a truck. Oh, and there's people outside too. He has a really big pool with the
Wow,
Chick go wow, wow. You're just jealous of our amazing singing. What? He's calling me. Hold it. It's not ringing! Yeah. Alright, then have him come here, but tell him to leave us alone and quit saying he's going to shove sticks up our butt. Okay. Alright. Where's mine? Okay. I really hate him. We're not going anywhere unless he comes. So let's just start walking. I can't run. These flip-flops are hurting my...
Run! 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 Oh my God! Crap. Sorry if you can't watch us.
Yeah, I know. This is just a hair flip away. I love Chris Crocker. It's a hair flip. Bow. Okay. This is that you're a fag and you don't know what you're doing.
You're fag and you don't know what you're doing.